Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Bigger Season 3. We are sad to announce that Bigger will not get a third season. What you guys want? Do you want Bigger Season 3? Please let us know in the comment section down below. So we know. We cannot believe it either but want to say to thanks to our hashtag Bigger Series Hive for being such loyal and passionate fans. She tweeted, "We wanted to give audiences a hardcore funny comedy with a big heart and our fans were there for it, so we thank you. We had a lovely dinner last week to end the year while ending such a special show." Maria went on to thank her cast as well as BET and executive producers Deon Shepard and Will Parker for this opportunity. Bigger followed group of 30-somethings in Atlanta who still don't have it all together. Season 2, which was released in April, ended with a twist that Deon, played by Chase Anthony, and his off-again, on-again bae, Layne, Tanisha Long, married in secret and still had not told their friends. Anthony previously told TVLine that if the show was renewed for another season, he would have liked to explore the fallout from this cliffhanger. Layne and Deon's mom, neither one of them is lighthearted. They say what's on their minds and they are pit bulls in a sense because they are protecting their children but in a very aggressive way, the actor said. Created by Mar, the 10-episode first season of Bigger follows single black woman Layne, Tanisha Long, and her close-knit group of friends as they navigate love, friendships, career ambitions, and the journey to getting bigger together. When a college acquaintance suddenly dies, the group is forced to take a deeper look at their own messy lives while asking themselves, is this it or is there something bigger and better? Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.